everyone, it's Neil. I'm always looking for some new socks, so I got some new socks. So here we go. These are some crew socks, I believe is what they are. And it comes with a variety of ones here. It's like this color, this color. I'm colorblind, so I'm just gonna say this color problem. This one's like gray, black, maybe blue, and white. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try on this one here. It's like grayish, I guess. So let's see, they come, let's see, it comes with a little thread holding it on. And these are like little crew length socks. Let's see. Oh, I might have to cut it off. Kind of weird, it came threaded together. Maybe that was just me that I didn't get it off correctly. And then we've got these little metal clips holding it on. So take off all those, and then here we go. Here's the socks. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've got here. Let me aim you down. Hopefully you can see my feet at this point. Okay, so my foot would need to be here. Okay, so here it is. I have a shoe on here, but there we go. I wear a size like 8.5 shoe. So look, there's the string, and these are soft. They feel good, fits nice. It's gonna fit inside my shoe. Super easy. And these are nice. These are nice socks. But I needed some new socks. So I don't know if you saw my other sock in my foot. It was not looking good. So these are some good socks. So if you need some socks, you can get a whole variety of cool looking colors. And it says men's standard size. It says it's 28.1% nylon, 3.2% spandex. So it's got the stretch to it and everything. So I'm all set on socks for a little while now. So very good. Thumbs up for sure.